Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
All right, boys, so our homie Max got a flat tire. Yo, our homie Max got a flat tire. And look at that, look at that squat put up. Let me see.
We gotta get it tough. Bro, look at this shit.
God damn. What was it, like a bump or like something?
Bro, it's a big ass paw hole. It's like 10 feet deep, bro.
Oh my gosh.
If the Range Rover didn't make it through.
If I would have went, bro.
Cooked. Your whole bumper, your whole fucking the car would have came off. The fucking neighbor's tripping.
Yeah, that's which one?
That one right there. In the plaid.
Oh, they right there.
Crazy. That's like Corby, bro. That's a fucking.
But look at that. We got a Trakiana though. Got a cat.
Yeah, just private property here, guys.
We outside in that bit though. Hold on, we got the AMG. AMG ski. AMG. Yo, wait, hold on. You got the watermelon spec, bro. Hey, yo.
That's not me. That's me. You're me.
Watermelon spec.
Random. I met.
Or what?
He looks like he's a gun.
Wait, that
That's
us?
shit. That's white as shit.
Okay. Hey, damn, you good, mate? All right. Well, it looks like he wants us off the property, but damn. All right, boys. As you can see, joining you guys with a little Nate night POV drive. We got the cars, we got the Mercedes, we got the convertible Mustang. I don't know. He said that's a rental.
Are those your bricks?
Hey, it's behind me. He pressing them motherfuckers. I'm chilling. What?
Oh, he's gonna swing this.
It's not a good idea. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's trying to swing it.
Where did he go? Oh, right here. Okay. We got the AMG. Who's trying to line it up? Let's go. Who's first?
Slow down to like 60. And whoever lines it up.
Fucking a V, bro. Trakiana. Why is his lights off? What in the world?
Go stick on the
on the car, bro. Not right here, not right here. No comp. Damn, nigga. What is you doing, boy? What is bro doing? Where the track all at? They gone. Those brakes, my boy.
Bullshit. Oh, this is a big straight right here.
They don't want to smoke, dude. 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 Did I just miss my exit? No, I'm chilling.
Oh, you're not chilling. Those right here.
But look at the map's telling me.
No, you're actually, I don't know. Well, it's about to be like rerouting. Actually, you might be good. I don't know. You might be chilling.
We got one little run in with the GCS.
We're doing a JD dip.
Yeah, JD dipped. That would have been a nice little fun gapperoni for him. Since he thinks he's so fast. Put the belt to ass. Don't race me unless your G80 has DP in tune. I was thinking it was this way. I prefer Wilshire. check Yana.
Why does he never have his lights on?
Bro, typical.
Wait, this is, no, he's on the brake right now.
Bro, he said he has 75 km on that. God. Bro, I told him, bro, for a Mopar, bro, it's like having 300 km on a Honda, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all gonna
have to replace the supercharger. I'm like, did you know that guy before the minute?
Bro, 16 with a track.
16?
Yeah, he can't even drive it. His homie's driving it.
Oh, so it's actually his car, the guy's passenger seat. Ooh, club right there.
Wow, you little sneaky little bitch.
It's fine, you got like 3 motherfuckers behind you.
But I'm gonna get the one that's gonna get targeted, bro. I swear they have a picture of my car at
Have his
the...
lights on.
They don't care. They're still gonna come for me. Because I'm like the fucking ringleader, I guess. They have a picture of my car at the fucking LAPD station, bro. And Beverly Hills. Especially Beverly Hills. What's the speed limit here?
Yeah, bro, remember this McDonald's?
35.
It's right when you got the car. We were here with Matias and shit.
Yeah, literally. Doing nothing. That's when it started, bro. Just doing nothing, gang.
That's when the deployment started, yeah. That's when you got the Hellcat, bro.
Bro, turn these lights on, gang.
Does he know his lights are off?
I mean, he should. Because look, when I turn my lights off, see?
Another car right there.
He's not in the car, chilling. That's just decoration. W that right there. That boy about to go the wrong way. Come on, I know my parts around these woods, boy.
10,000 building, bro, coming soon.
Oh my.
Whoa.
What you doing, Honda?
Yo, am I tripping? He has a big ass dent. Did someone back into him?
Run that shit, Aviv. Oh my gosh. Never downshift through an intersection.
Damn, fucking Beverly Hills still homeless people. Time.
It's my time? What is he saying? It's your kind or it's your time?
I think you said it's your kind and pointed at the black homeless person.
He probably did. Bro. Yeah, I think he did. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, 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 boy. Alright guys, I need you guys to group around me, bro. I can't be by myself. I'm scared. Daddy's scared, guys. Bro, pick up, bro. Pick up the phone. It's the big leagues calling. No, it's the big leagues calling. Oh my gosh. Wait, is this go green? No. Fuck.
Whoa. Just closed.
What?
Park, there's one cop coming. Quickly park.
Alright. After me?
He's coming behind us, so park quickly, fast. It's 3 cars behind. Park, you're first, but park fast. Bye.
Park anywhere here.
Park fast, park quickly. Stand off. Bye.
Ooh.
Gonna be out quick, ding.
Come on.
Hop out of the car, hop out of the car.
Get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, we good, we good, we good. Oh my gosh. He's probably about to turn. I know he's about to turn. He's about to turn. He's about to turn. He's about to turn. Go after him. Please go after him. Look, Trackhawk parked right there. That boy ain't wasting no time. I think we're good. I think we should be good. It's fine, bro. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let me see, camera. Let me see. Are we good? Uh-oh. Look who it is.
Well,
I think he might be going after them.
I don't like those guys.
We don't like him either, gang.
I don't like those types of people. I really love your car.
Oh my gosh, bro. As soon as he said, bro, Lori called me, bro said cost, bro. My heart is actually pounding right now. Panic attack.
Bro, we drove by him.
That's a trigger word.
Immediately turn to the wrong and turn right. He was in the left turn lane. We drove by him, went right. He slow rolled us and looked at us.
Fuck, bro. I hate police, bro. We made it safely. Alright, boys.
Alright, now what, Aaron?
Now we mob back to UCLA Internet.
Alright, let's go back to the valley now.
Fuck no, nigga.
Alright, guys, let's go to Crave. Alright, let's go to Crave.
Now I gotta kill you, bro.
Don't be closed, everyone's still here.
Bro, we are the people, bro. That's us. Alright, boys. I'll pick up the camera once something else happens, but... Oh. Okay, hold on. As you guys can see, we're starting off the night in Beverly Hills. We have a Mercedes. We have another Mercedes. We have another Mercedes. We have the Hellcat right here. Your guys' favorite car. We got the Trakiana coming up. Yes, sir. We got the big body AMG. And then big bug Hawk. Big boy truck Hawk. Big boy truck. Oh yeah. Hey, you know you're driving with your lights off, right?
On it? No, they're on.
The lights are not on.
No, they're covers.
Is everything tinted too? The front ones too?
Nah.
So your lights aren't on then. Turn your lights on, nigga.
It's stuck as shit. They're no, it's because the brakes.
Are they on? Nigga, the lights are not on. Turn the lights on.
Take the parking brake off. No, I'm not about to ask you. No.
This shit's a striker, bro. What the fuck? Oh, hell no.
He stole it. He's already getting like.
Oh, hell nah. That shit's a striker. They only come on when he takes the parking brake off.
Wait, what?
The lights only come on when he takes the parking brake off.
The lights were off the whole time.
That shit's a striker. That's a striker when I see one, boys.